Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove a Meta AI chat from Messenger. So if you have updated your Messenger and if this feature is available in your country, then probably once you launch your Messenger, then you will see this Ask Meta AI Anything on the search tab and then prepare to ask anything. So click this Meta AI, then you can generate image. You can ask any questions about any countries or any topic that you want to discuss or ask to Ask Meta AI. Okay, the response is totally amazing and it's somehow helpful, especially to your project, to your work, or to your school assignments or whatsoever. Now, if you think that this one is not necessary, and if you want to really delete this because you don't like this feature, let's just say, then there's no way that you can delete this one. Unfortunately, you cannot disable this application once you have updated your messenger and once it is available in your country. But let's just say you really don't like this feature. Then don't worry, I'm going to show you the best way on how to remove this one or how to use Messenger without this feature. So what you're going to do here is to exit your messenger, go to your phone settings. If you're using Android, go to application management and then tap app list. And then here you have to scroll down and then look for messenger. Or you can just simply go to the search bar or click this magnifying glass icon and then type messenger, tap this one. And what you're going to do here is to uninstall the latest version of this application. So click uninstall. Now, once you have uninstalled this Messenger application, go to any web browser, and then this time I'm using a Google web browser. Now, what you're going to do here is go to the search bar and then type old version Messenger or Messenger older version. Now, click the very first link that you can see here. Okay, and then after that, you just have to scroll down and look for older versions of Messenger. Make sure that this site is a trusted website. Okay, so look for that specific older version of Messenger and then download. After that, install it to your phone device. And then once it is installed, then what you're going to do next is to launch or open your Messenger application. So since you're using the older version of Messenger, then probably you will not see the new feature, which is the Meta AI or Ask Meta AI. So this is how you easily get rid of this Meta AI on Instagram. You cannot delete it inside of the application, but somehow you can use this method. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.